Earlier this year, we released signage mode, which allows you to view web content while in standby mode. But we went one step further. Now we've released web apps. Using in-room controls and macros, we can create a web app on the home screen of this Webex board in seconds. And let's see how it's done. So I'm in the macro editor here, and I've got a simple macro. It's only a couple of lines of code. I've created an in-room control panel, and it's got the panel ID called web_project WRKPL. What I'm listening for with this event is when this panel has been clicked, and when it has been clicked, we then run this brand new command called user interface web view display. We fed it a simple parameter of URL, in this case, the project workplace link. We're going to save this. We're going to go back to the board here, and let's click Project Workplace and see what happens. So we see the opening web page, and there we go. We're in the web page. Now I can navigate this with interactivity on the board. I can go to the teamwork page. I can view around, but I can also return back to the home screen at any time, and I can by clicking the home button. I can add more than just one web app as well. I can add more panels and create more events to listen to those panels. And if you get more than 6, you can then swipe across. So we are going to add some native management for web apps in the later half of this year. But for right now, it's super easy to get started. So go have fun and try this out on your Webex device. If you enjoyed this content, hit the subscribe and like button below and let us know what you want us to cover.